Cultivating Earnings and Address Notebook. To cultivate a cryptocurrency, you first need to create a wallet. Navigate to the address book, select the network, set the wallet name and address, then click Submit. Please note that cultivating your earnings is only possible in the payment unit of the cryptocurrency and its network. In the left menu, locate this option to cultivate your earnings. Here, you can view the exact balance amount from the balance menu. However, there may be slight differences, as cultivation is only permitted for transactions completed at least 24 hours ago. A new menu will appear where you can choose a wallet and submit the request. This opened list displays all successful cultivations. For further information, click here and follow the details link. It's important to understand that you cannot request cultivation for only a portion of cultivable cryptocurrencies. Each request results in the cultivation of the entire balance amount.